Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to keep text in center in Word updated. Select your text, then use the Home tab alignment to center horizontally, and open Layout to center vertically on the page. Use paragraph settings or cell alignment for tables, and check line spacing to keep visual balance. I'll walk through ribbon commands, dialog boxes, and keyboard shortcuts so you can center text quickly and confidently in any document. Centering inside tables is powerful and easy to replicate across rows and columns. Click the cell, head to Table Layout, and choose Center both horizontally and vertically from the Cell Alignment group. Use Distribute Rows and Columns when you want uniform spacing, and set cell margins for consistent padding. I'll show how to copy alignment to multiple cells and maintain formatting when inserting or deleting table elements so your tables stay tidy. Shortcuts save a lot of time when centering text in Word, especially on repetitive tasks. Use Ctrl+E for quick horizontal centering, and Ctrl+E to center everything in the document. For vertical centering, use Alt to navigate the ribbon faster, and memorize a few ribbon keystrokes to open Page Setup alignment. I'll demonstrate each shortcut and show how to combine them with styles so your centered text stays consistent.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.